Welcome back to Kungana na Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. I never opened it, as it was not my place to do so, and I never gave it to you because it was not time yet. So it's time now? Yes, you're leaving my nest and finishing off what began many moons ago. You will have a helper who I know you've been dream sharing with. A helper I have met. Where? That does not matter right now. Read the letter and rest. For tomorrow, you begin your journey. She heads out to the kitchen, no doubt to give me time to read and adjust. Opening the letter, I notice the words have been faded a little, which shows Harugumi was keeping it dry and safe. There are parts where you can tell the person behind the pen was crying. Taking a deep breath, I begin to read. My sweet Unami, you are the daughter of my dreams and your mother's joy. We loved you before you were born and even more so after. If we could, we would have stayed, but to stay would mean your death, and your life is something we would never gamble with. I have questioned Musiki's love many times these past few weeks, wondering why he would bless us, only to take you away. We tried for years to have a baby, but realized that perhaps that wasn't meant for us. Join us tomorrow at 6 for more Kungana na Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.